Hello guys, welcome to the course. In this lecture, I'm going to show you how to place the image on any video footage and adjust it and change the image as your requirement. First of all, we'll import an image. Then if you want to place it in here, just drag and drop into the video layer 2. And we will increase the duration of the image. We can change the duration from here also by pressing Ctrl plus R and undo it and increase the duration of the image. After that, you can scale it or scale down. And we can reposition the image according to our requirement. And we can also animate it by insert a keyframe. Here we will insert a keyframe for scale and position. We'll insert a keyframe here, one keyframe also in here, and change the scale value, and then we'll change the scale value and insert a keyframe, another keyframe to 36. So you can see that if we preview it, you can see that there is a nice animation. We can make it. If we delete the animation keyframe, and now we can animate its position. So therefore we will insert a keyframe for position. After some gaps, we change the position. You can see that is animated, is changing the position from right to left. We can also, in here, we can also change the blending mode to darken color screen or whatever we need. Like there are many blend modes, but we'll keep it to normal right now. There is an anti-flicker filter also in here. You can use the anti-flicker filter, but we'll remain it to the 0. So that's how we can place an image into our video and adjust the image and also modify the image, and also we can animate the image. So that's it for this lesson. We'll meet up with a new topic in next lesson. Thank you.